This is Lynn Belcher, Certified Legal Nurse Consultant. And Lynn, I wanted to talk to you today because one of the things I stress in the certification program is really creating an alliance of other CLNC consultants for yourself. And you've really done that. You've got 10 other CLNC consultants that you subcontract with or in alliance with you. So tell us a little bit about how you created that and what your focus is.
Well, initially, I was thinking about myself and being a CLNC, going into business. But some of my really close nursing friends said, I would love to do that. And so I said, if you commit the time and you get your CLNC, which is a commitment of money, we can form that alliance and work as subcontractors with each other. So that started out with one, and then it was two. Then I listened to your webinar. 25 specialties that attorneys need. And I thought, I don't have all those specialties, so I started kind of going out and gathering peeps up, asking people if they were interested, and just about everybody, Vicki, said, I've always thought about doing that.
Isn't that amazing? All right. And so what I love about what you're doing is you're setting the business up to be bigger than you and your individual specialty.
Absolutely.
And you said something earlier today. You didn't want other people, competitors, to get these cases. You want to keep it within your realm.
Right.
And you're able to do that having these CLNC consultants in a variety of specialties.
And that has worked well because I don't have a specialty per se. I was administration for a very long time, overseeing a lot of the people that are now subcontractors with me. But if I'm working on a case and I have a particular aspect of that case that I'm good at, but I know one of the other consultants is really good in the world of baby or, whatever, OB, ICU, whatever, then we can consult together on that case. But we don't do it and double bill. We do it as, I need you to spend some hours looking at this case. I'll look at the documentation piece. You look at the treatment piece. So it has worked out really well to never get stuck on a case that you can't handle.
Absolutely. I was subcontracting on my third case. It's going to happen whether you want to or not.
Yes.
The need is going to be there because these attorneys, they're just seeing that you're a nurse and they're going to believe that you can help them with pretty much any kind of case. But you're smart not to try to handle it all by yourself. And I also love that you said that you could see in the future where you've got a team that's working the cases and you're the one just going out and getting the business.
Absolutely. I wouldn't have no problem. One of the biggest questions they have is, how are you going to decide who gets the cases? And I said, well, a lot of it will depend on specialty. But I think they were afraid that because I'm kind of starting it, that I was going to just take all the cream off the top and, they just get little pieces of the business, when in reality I said, I'd be okay if I never did a case and you guys are working on the cases as my subcontractors, because if in any case the business is making money, whether I'm doing the case or they. So I added it up one day that if I had 10 nurses and they were all working on a case, then the business is making about $500 an hour or so, or
Very
more.
good, yeah. Because you charge about $150 an hour, is that
Absolutely,
right?
and I will tell you, I was scared to say that, like you said, on my first interview with an attorney. I was waiting, and he finally said, okay, so what do you charge? And I said, $150. He never blinked an eye.
No.
And I was like, okay.
So maybe the next attorney is $175,
Exactly,
right?
10% every year, I think is what you said, right?
Yeah, maybe 3 to 5% depending on the attorneys. But
the other thing I want to say to you is that I took your word kind of as my gospel and my guide, and everything you said about do something every day. Be quiet if they ask you how much you charge and you think they're not going to, or you tell them 150 and like, all those things is what has made us successful so far. They've not deviated from the plan and haven't had to.
Thank you.
Yeah, so
yes,
thank
so
you
we do
for that.
we do try to give you the plan, but the bottom line is you're the one who's taking that information, making it yours, and really doing something with it. So congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Lynn.
You're welcome.